Alright, it's high time this guy went back in the car. We're getting really close. As you can see, I got my fuel portals, my fuel tank portals in place. And they look awesome. I love the way that looks. Fuel neck is just temporarily stuck in there the way it's going to go. You can see the holes are kind of lined up nicely. I could have been doing this in the time I was working on things. These are the bolts here that you screw into the neck, and these are the bolts that hold the grommet to the floor of the trunk. When I put these in, I'll put the ones up around the neck. I'll use I think I'm going to use silicone with both of those. These I'll use this Permatex anti-seize. Never seize basically on these guys, but you can see I've painted them with a rust treatment to keep them from rusting any further. They're grade 8 bolts and they're in great shape, so I'm just fortunate that I've got, you know, that kind of quality really there, because a lot of bolts on this car, if you've ever taken one of these apart that's been exposed to Ohio road grime, the bolts just snap. So shortly here I'm gonna turn and install this.